Hi crafters and party planners, it's Michelle and today I'm super excited to show you how I worked on my new business logo for Bling My Baby LLC. I started by getting some creative logo ideas from Chatgpt. You don't have to spend hundreds to get a professional logo. I just described what I wanted, party favors and digital downloads mixed into a sleek, modern design, and ChatGPT helped me get started. Once I got the idea, I took it into Canva to customize it further. You can adjust the colors, add new elements, or even simplify the design to fit your brand exactly how you want it. What's great is Canva is free for most features, and you can edit your logo anytime without waiting for a designer. Plus, with tools like ChatGPT, you can get a jump start with creative ideas that you can refine to your liking. Here's the final version of my Bling My Baby LLC logo. Completely customized, and I didn't break the bank to make it happen. So if you're looking to create your own logo, try starting with ChatGPT for ideas and refine it in Canva. It's an easy and affordable way to get exactly what you need. Let me know in the comments if you try it.